Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the content language on the Webnovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the featured section next to the library option at the bottom of the screen, and here tap to the globe at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the content language option, and just select language and step on and tap to the white circle and click to the submit option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.